Welcome friends. Now we are unboxing this video. See, 100% score. Dr. Hukum Singh derived very beautifully this mathematics lab kit. See the contents here. Everything is very clearly mentioned in the outside of the box. See, let us unbox this video. Now we can see the all materials. Actually, ISRT Institute of Scientific Research and Training developed these materials. This kit is very beautifully designed. Color combinations, materials, plastic, contents, prints, papers, everything is very perfectly in international standard. Now we took out all the materials from the box and now let us see which are the products contained in this box. See, this is talent hunt letter from ISRT. Now let us go to the other things. See, this is a catalog file for Omega Mathematics Kit, and we have these major two books, which are the mathematics projects book, and this is project book, and this is demonstration book. These both books are very important for each kid, and we have two CDs, and one is Maths Lab CD and another one is the video tutorials of standard 6, which we are watching currently. Now the work mode is there, and let us go to the shapes. What is there? And everybody knows the shapes is easy to draw, easy to see, easy to learn, but this original 3D shapes every kids can slowly see this beautifully derived shapes will make the learnings very easy to each student. Now let us see some of the catalogs, which is very basically like Simbati as well as Ramanujan number. See, this is the Ramanujan number, and we have the photos of famous mathematicians, Maclay, as well as, see, let us go, the Gibbs is there, yeah, obviously Gibbs is there, Riemann is there, Clerk Maxwell. Let us go the magic square, and this is magic square for my number, and sequential inputs of 6 is the another important thing. Perimeter and area, see, this is very clear. I know this bluish one is powers of 10. Sixth standard student have these beautiful charts about the powers of 10 chart, and which is the powers of 10. Another chart, we have two different charts for powers of 10. A fraction chart is there. This is a fraction chart. See, this everything is very clearly mentioned. And this is scale. This scale is parallel nomogram scale. This scale is very clear, and everybody can easily understand what is that. And as well as integer scale is there. Roman numbers is the 6th standard learnings, and conversion is there. Conversion, how to convert, and decimals in grid paper, and we have funny angles in numbers. Concepts of area, this is concepts of area, and edge detector table. So now let us go to the box, material box. We have the material box with a lot of materials to play with and learn through play, learn with beautiful learning. See, this is Soma cube, integer board is there, decimal stripe is there, concept of area is there, angle stick is there, and geometrical shapes. Tower of Hanoi, functional kit, symmetry, algebraic tiles, LCM kit is there, LCM kit and made triangles. See the Soma cube. Now we have a beautiful scale. So thank you for watching this very slowly, and it's a beautiful time. Oh friends, this is the full unboxing video. So now you go to the below description to find the details.